Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're making a Taco Bell Mexican pizza. We're going to start off by cutting up all our veggies. Got some green onions, some tomatoes, some white onions. I cut some jalapenos up too. Then we're going to start by sauteing our garlic. Get your pan nice and hot. You want it to get about slightly golden brown. I like to do this and then add the hamburger. Make sure you always season your meat. Salt and pepper. I like to season generously. It just makes everything taste better. So let that saute for a few minutes, get nice and golden brown. And in just a minute, we're gonna add our taco seasoning. I like the flavor that it adds. It just gives a whole nother dimension. So throw a packet in. It takes 3/4 of a cup of water, and then you're just gonna let that saute for about 10 minutes or so. It'll reduce some of that liquid down, and then you'll end up with a nice, delicious taco meat. All right, so we'll let that finish cooking. And while that's wrapping up, we're gonna start to get our refried beans ready. Now, a little trick that I like to do, I like to use some of that fat in the meat and add it to my refried beans. I think it just adds a little bit of additional flavor. So you can do the same, or you can skip that part, it's up to you. I like to take the beans, add a little bit of water, and then maybe some sour cream, maybe a little bit of cheese, and then a little bit of the hamburger yumminess. And then mix it all together, get that in there real nice. And then we are gonna get our pan ready to fry our tortillas. So add some olive oil or cooking oil, whatever you prefer. Heat it up, get it nice and hot before you put the tortilla in so you can get it to a golden brown and the tortilla doesn't soak the oil in. So we'll brown that up, get that ready, looking good. Alright, we'll get our other one ready, and here in just a sec, we're going to be ready to build our pizza. Alright, so get both those tortillas to a nice golden brown. And then you're going to want to start with a layer of refried beans. Nice thin layer. You don't want to put too much on because you don't want to make it soggy. So you get the refried beans on, then you're going to add your taco meat. And then after that, you're going to put the shell back on. You're going to add some red enchilada sauce. And then some shredded cheese, and then cheese into the oven. You're going to throw it in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You want the cheese to melt, and you want it to get kind of a golden brown, but you don't want to overdo it. All right, our pizza's done. Now we're gonna top with onions, and we're gonna top it with green onions, some tomatoes, some black olives. I even like to throw some jalapenos on there. Then we're gonna cut her up and eat our pizza. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, hit like, subscribe, and tune in next time. Have a great day.